From Just8ate.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make
White Claw Slushie.
Alright, let's hit the kitchen.
Yeah.
Definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell, and since you're right there, hit the share and the like button. Why not?
We have frozen pineapples, strawberries, and mango. And we got our White Claw. Yes, I like mango. So that's why I have mango flavored White Claw. We're going to put it into our mixing vessel. Now we're going to put only halfway because remember, it's bubbly. So, and we're going to put in hard liquor. Now I have vodka and you have tequila. You put whatever you like. But I'm going to be putting 1 shot or 2 and put a lid on it. And then we're going to mix it, blend it. Yeah. After you blend it, pour it in a nice cup because, you know, you special, okay? You special. And so that's how you make White Claw Slushie.
And so definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell so you get notified whenever we upload another video. And hey, definitely hit the like button and the share button because you might have some family and friends that are interested in this recipe. Hey, did you know that we give out shout outs for the people that actually comment down below? Yeah! And that being said, here's the shout out of the week from the last uploaded video. Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below. And remember, friends,
Expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my aters.
See you in the next video.
I'll see you in the next video.
If you've gotten to this point of the video, I really appreciate you. You've watched the entire video.
Check out my YouTube channel for other recipes.